नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे मासेम इंग्लिश चॅनलमध्ये। आज आपण बघणार आहे 8th क्लास इंग्लिश 2.2 द हाऊस बिल्डर वर्कशॉप। आज आपण बघणार आहोत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी द नाउन फॉर्म्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। फर्स्ट इज द डेडिकेट, नाउन इज द डेडिकेशन। सेकंड मेजर, measurement. Third, decide, decision. Four, perfect, perfection. Five, own, ownership. Give, gift. Responsible, responsibility. Persist, persistence. Question number 2, choose the proper phrase expression to complete the sentence meaningfully. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे पहा, इथे प्रॉपर फ्रेज और एक्सप्रेशन आपल्याला इथे वापरून वाक्य पूर्ण करायची आहेत। पहिला आहे सी डज हर जॉब विथ फुल डेडिकेशन। सेकंड, वन शुड ... to help other when needed. Answer is the make up one's mind. Question number 3, as Mr. Jadhav has transferred to Chennai, he had dash his responsibilities to his assistant. Answer is the to handover. As Mr. Jadhav was transferred to Chennai, he had to hand over his responsibilities to his assistant. Question number 4, the labor's income was not sufficiently dash his family. Answer is the to meet the needs of. The labor's income was not sufficient to meet the needs of his family. Question number 5, because of a fault in the wiring, they will have dash an electrician. Answer is the to send for. Because of a fault in the wiring, they will have to send for an electrician. Sixth question, mother tried hard to change her son's habit but to no avail. Question number 7, mangoes from Ratnagiri are always dash. Answer is the in great demand. Question number 3, read the story and answer in your words. The owners of the new houses built by a mason family pleased. Why? Answer is the because it was built with high quality construction material. The measurements of the walls, doorways and arches were perfect. It had an excellent and appealing finish, and the most important is it was built with full dedication. Question B, the contractor compensated for the mason's good work. How? Answer is the contractor paid the mason a very good salary, so the mason could meet the needs of his family sufficiently without any scarcity. When the mason retired from house building, the contractor gave him a house as a gift. In this way, the contractor compensated for the mason's good work. Question C, the mason made a firm decision to retire when? Answer is the mason made a firm decision to retire when he became a grandfather. Question 4, read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper column. तर आपल्याला काय करायचे आहे, स्टोरीमधले शब्द मोठ्याने वाचायचे आहेत आणि त्यांना प्रॉपर कॉलममध्ये आपण ठेवायचे आहे. वन सिलॅबिक, वर्क, लिव्ह, फुल, डोअर, वे, ग्रेट, ब्रॉड. टू सिलॅबिक, स्टोरी, बिल्डिंग, मेनी, अवेल, कंप्लीट, रेडी, हॅपी. थ्री सिलॅबिक, परफेक्शन, आर्किटेक्ट, क्वालिटी, डॉक्युमेंट्स, ओनरशिप. मोर दॅन थ्री सिलॅबिक, रिस्पॉन्स, एबिलिटी, मेजर, मेन. क्वेश्चन 5. A. Words that have the same sound, pronunciation but differ in spelling and meaning are called homophones. For example, hair, hair. Pick out from the lesson homophones of the following words. तर आपल्याला फॉलोइंग वर्डचे काय करायचे आहेत, होमोफोन्स लिहायचे आहेत. त्यामध्ये पहा, पहिले आहे वेस्ट, वेस्ट. दुसरा आहे न्यू, NEW, न्यू. तिसरा आहे लूज, तिसरा आहे लूज, लूज. चौथा आहे मेड, मेड. ग्रेट, ग्रेट. ओन, वन. साइड, साइड. वीक, वीक. वुड, वुड. सी, सी. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर आमच्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. व्हिडिओला जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवा. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.